Wait, where am I? What is going on?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll talk about best faceless YouTube niches that will explode in 2026. Okay, I analyzed 249 faceless YouTube channels, and most people are choosing the wrong niche. Or some that just pay $2 for 1,000 views, while others pay 20 or more for the same effort. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best faceless YouTube niches for 2026. With real channels you can copy, their actual RPM, and what you need to know before starting. Let's go. First niche, and probably the easiest one to go viral right now. Self-improvement and productivity.
Channels like Productive Peter with estimated monthly earnings $3.5 thousand and Easy, actually estimated monthly earnings $2.7 thousand. Little Bit Better, estimated monthly earnings $6.3 thousand. Antidote, estimated monthly earnings $1.7 thousand.
You can absolutely use AI to create videos just like these channels. I've already made a full step-by-step tutorial, and check the link in the description below.
These channels are exploding because they hit a very simple formula. They make people feel like they're about to become a better version of themselves, and that's addictive. RPM, estimated, around $4 to $10 per 1,000 views. Why it works?
Everyone wants to improve their life. Highly shareable content works extremely well with storytelling plus animation. Here is what you need to know. This niche is not about information. It's about emotion plus relatability. Next, this is one of the most scalable niches for faceless YouTube Ash's explainer channels. Channels like
Monkey Explains with Est, monthly earnings $2.2 thousand. The Paint Explainer with estimated monthly earnings $16.9 thousand, and Simple Paint with estimated monthly earnings $13,000. These channels simplify complex ideas into visuals. And here's the key. People don't just watch these videos. They understand things for the first time. RPM, estimated, is around $5 to $12 per 1,000 views.
So why it works? High watch time, educational, that means YouTube pushes it infinite content ideas. And here is what you need to know. Simplicity wins. If it's confusing, it won't go viral.
Quick tip. Use the 3-act structure to write scripts that feel like real studio-level content. AI is usually accurate, but you still need to fact-check everything.
Have a simple prompt ready to verify your script so your content stays trustworthy. I explained the 3-act structure in a previous video, links in the description. Now, this is where the real money is. Finance niche. This is one niche I highly recommend if you want to reach a US audience fast.
Channels like Nick Invests with Est, monthly earnings $4.6 thousand. Primate Economics with $999 per month. Tom Lazy Investor with $3.4 thousand per month. Bob Invests with $1.1 thousand per month. This niche doesn't just get views, it gets expensive viewers. RPM, estimated, is $10 to $20 plus per 1,000 views.
Why it works. Advertisers pay more for money-related content. Audience equals people with buying power. Evergreen topics. And so what you need to know? You must sound credible. Even a faceless trust is everything. I already made a full tutorial on how to create finance videos, and check the link in the description. 𝐋𝐿, fitness, and discipline. I already made a full tutorial on how to create fitness videos, and check the link in the description.
Channels like Yellow Dude with Est, monthly earnings $30.5 thousand per month. Calisthenics with Lavender with Est, monthly earnings $4.3 thousand per month. Captain Workout with $7.8 thousand per month.
This niche is driven by one thing, transformation. RPM versus around $3 to $8 per 1,000 view.
Why it works. Emotional visual. Highly motivational. What you need to know. This niche is more about visual impact than talking.
One quick note for this niche, make sure you clearly mention in your video description if you're using AI to create the content, and check yes for altered content. Also, it's best to include advice from a real gym goer or trainer to make your content more credible, since this is fitness. Then we have aesthetic lifestyle content. Channel, ape aesthetic. This niche doesn't rely on logic.
It relies on vibe.
RPM, estimated, around $2 to $6 per 1,000 views.
Why it works. Visual dopamine. Highly shareable. Strong identity branding. This is not about content. It's about feeling.
If I had to start again in 2026, I would combine an explainer format, with finance and cinematic storytelling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. In the next video, I'll share about the only way to create realistic AI avatars that look ultra realistic and found like you in 2026. So see you in the next video.